Hi, I'm Natalie,
And I'm Brianna.
and we are part of a consulting team hired by the State of Oregon to talk about renewable energy. According to the Oregon's Renewable Portfolio Standard, 50% of the electricity Oregonians use should be from renewable sources by the year 2040.
In order to help make this happen, our plan is to create 2 different facilities focused on renewable energy. The first facility would be placed in southeastern Oregon and comprised of 1,250 3.2 megawatt turbines across 270,000 acres of land, equating to 4,000 megawatts total. This is already in effect on a smaller scale and would be easy to replicate on a larger scale.
Also in southeastern Oregon, the second facility would be composed of 110 150 megawatt PV installations with energy storage. This would equate to about 16,000 megawatts total. Southeastern Oregon is a great place to put wind turbines and solar panels. This is because it receives class 3 to 4 winds and receives a lot of sun as compared to other parts of Oregon. It is also practically a desert, and it is very barren and not very populated. It is unlikely that anyone would complain about these facilities being built here because it is not a very popular spot.
In sum, we aim to construct 2 facilities that total 20,000 megawatts of renewable energy in order to help the state of Oregon's energy problem.
Additionally, we would like to integrate 1,100 megawatt batteries all over the state of Oregon, and an additional 1,000 batteries in southeastern Oregon. This would allow the state to reduce delay in power, save the state money, and act as a backup in the case of an emergency. They will be most effective when charged during non-peak hours, which is around the middle of the night, and run during peak hours when costs are high during the middle of the day.
By making Oregon's electricity more renewable, we are ensuring better health for our planet, future generations, and ourselves. A greener planet will help improve sustainability, reduce air pollution, promote cost-effective energy production, revitalize rural economies, generate little to no waste, and support agriculture. Not only will these positive environmental and social conditions occur, but also the formation of these facilities will create countless jobs and assist the economy.
The solutions that we have provided to the state energy problem are simple fixes to a complex and wide problem. Wind turbines are very scalable and utilize an inexhaustible resource. Solar panels have very low maintenance and repair costs. This is due to their design.
As the famous Native American proverb states, we do not inherit the earth from our ancestors, we borrow it from our children. How can you help to make a better future? You can start by helping us make this project into a reality. In addition to this large-scale project, it is easy to save energy at home. Simply turning off electronics when they are not being used is a simple start. One can also purchase solar panels for their roof, and this would further reduce their energy bill as well as contribute to saving the environment.
Thank you for your consideration. We look forward to working with you in the future.